Welcome to the Complete Frontend Developer Roadmap for 2026, guiding you from beginner to professional. Front-end development focuses on creating the visual and interactive parts of websites and applications that users interact with directly in their browser. Level 1 covers Internet fundamentals. We start with HTTP, HTTPS, DNS, and browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Next, we examine domain names, including URLs and routing. And finally, hosting, which is where websites live. Level 2 is about HTML foundations. You'll master semantic HTML, forms and validation, accessibility, also known as A11Y, and SEO basics. Level 3 is CSS mastery. This includes Flexbox for one-dimensional layouts and Grid for two-dimensional layouts, along with responsive, mobile-first design. We also cover animations, preprocessors like Sass and Less, and CSS architecture principles such as Beam/MACSS. Level 4 focuses on JavaScript core. Essential topics include ES6 plus syntax, DOM manipulation, asynchronous JavaScript, and utilizing the Fetch API and AJAX. Mastering error handling is also crucial at this stage. Level 5 covers version control. Learn Git basics, using platforms like GitHub or GitLab, and essential collaboration skills. This level also includes managing branches, pull requests for code review, and resolving merge conflicts. Level 6 introduces package managers and build tools. You'll work with package managers like NPM, Yarn, and PNPM. For building and bundling, explore Webpack, Vite, and the extremely fast SBuild. Level 7 is dedicated to CSS frameworks. We look at utility-first frameworks like Tailwind CSS and Uno CSS, as well as component-based options such as Bootstrap, Material UI, and Chakra UI. Level 8 covers front-end frameworks. You should choose one to master first, such as React, Vue, or Angular. You can also explore frameworks offering server-side rendering like Svelte, Next.js, and Nuxt. Level 9 is state management. Progress from component state to context API and ultimately to global state solutions. Popular state management libraries include Redux, ZooStand, and Recoil. Level 10 is testing. This includes unit tests, integration tests, and E2E tests. Key testing tools include Jest, Vitest, React Testing Library, Cypress, and Playwright for cross-browser testing. Level 11 focuses on TypeScript, which adds type safety to JavaScript. Key topics: basic types, defining object shapes using interfaces, and writing reusable type parameters with generics. Level 12 covers progressive web apps. Learn about service workers, offline support, push notifications, and the app manifest. Progressive web apps should be installable, responsive, and network independent. Level 13 is performance optimization. Techniques include lazy loading, code splitting to create smaller bundles, and tree shaking to remove dead code. Don't forget image optimization, caching with browsers and CDNs, and using Lighthouse for performance auditing. Level 14 is deployment and CI/CD. Use zero-config platforms like Vercel, Netlify, and Cloudflare pages for deployment. Implement continuous integration and deployment with tools like GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, and Docker for containerization. Your career path progresses from junior to mid-level to senior developer. Specialization paths include tech lead focusing on technical leadership, architect on system design, and full stack covering both front-end and back-end. The next steps to success are to build projects and contribute to open source, create a portfolio, network and learn continuously, and never stop improving. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a comment below with your questions and subscribe for more content.